Are we good?
We're great.
Cased opening. Pause. From this to this. Yeah? Okay. You can cut. Which is turned on? Just strong of 4.5. Whatever the fuck that measurement is. Pause, please. Hold on. Relax. It's okay. I didn't get enough for the trim on the other side, did I? That was fucking stupid. That was heavy. Cut that part out, Lauren. So now I'm gonna choose my orientation. Used to be 4 9/16. Crossing my arms. I guess this is dangerous. I get it. And then I want to cut the opposite side. Why won't it?
Because it's rigid. It's a piece of crap.
Oh my God.
Should have bought Milwaukee.
Oh man. Okay, that's good. And it's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. Is that tight?
Yes. No.
I missed the shims. Try and shoot through the shims. Please make it look like I'm not a bumbling idiot, Lauren. Should I put one here? Probably. But that's okay. I'm trying to make an excuse here.
Do you want a Kinder Joy? Or a Snickers? Or a Santa?
Rip it! Speaking of cold, this sander is freezing. God, I need a heated garage. Or spring. Spring would be nice. Might be loud, Coda. I turn the compressor on. Mwah. Got it. Sorry.